By night time, I come down now.
Purple light.
I step on my car at Darling Street, Coronation Market. You don't know my spot there. What a parade, me there. All there, you see me? Yeah, man. Tell you well, well. I just want to start Empire, you see it? Yeah. Call Linky, Pure Linky, me have a play. Pure Herbal and Beer Tech. Pure Road and Culture and Beer Tech. Lionheart in our place. I don't know. They can watch this. All the government are watching and talk about this and that. You see me? Be a comfort and be a confederacy. You see it? When I work with them, I work with the poor people about that. I hold a fight. You see me? Man, I take you, you're walking on my few. Look one way I go, man. No disrespect. When I take no picture of you, look away. Bomb back there. What you feel like? You can't get for my thing. Hear that? My tail turn up. Na, hear me cry. Just a jaw. Rough. All this shit. Nice. Ready? See how my boss there? No, you're not going where I'm Come back there. Don't come there. Come back there. Don't right, Lionheart. You know, watch out now. I mean it.
Not everybody is
No, I know, my brother. But true, I do something for myself. Alright. Manner respect. Manners. Yeah.
What?
Manners. Aye. Yes, Jamaica this.
Come back with us.
Yeah, mellow. I love that. Beer love at Jamaica. Hear what I say? No people at Jamaica, they don't like them picture taken, right? Because you know it's their privacy, you know what I'm saying? So right now, I ain't gonna be doing this kind of thing. You know, everybody talk to me and tell me the correct way to do things, right? So right now, I'm on YouTube, I'm doing my thing, you know what I'm saying? And I'm bigging up my music, you know what I'm saying? Right now, in the Jamaica, in real time, real life. I said, I live the life to the full now. And it was a dead. So when I want a friend from them, yo, I say Kingston hot like a melting pot, you better watch that. Now. Hot and bad. Man. What's up? Bomb back.